Are you beginner in Blender?
Yes.
Then today's video is for you. Let's start with the array modifier. This modifier basically create copies, just change the count number for how many copies you need. In the relative offset, set the axis value to 1, to move the object in the other direction. The constant offsets means, how much gap do you want between each copy? For suppose 1 meter, 2 meter, 3. Now let's jump into second modifier, the bevel. As you can see, the edge is very sharp without bevel, with bevel it's rounded. The amount is basically a width value, and for smoothness just increase the segment value. More segment, more smoothness. After adding the bevel modifier, just right-click on the object and select the shade smooth. Now come here, and under normal, enable the auto smooth option. Let's move on to the third modifier, the Boolean. To work with Boolean, we will need to add another object. We hide it by click on icon. Then under the object in Boolean, we will choose it. As you can see, in the difference, our chosen object is subtracted from the cube. In the union, both objects are merged. In the intersect, our cube is subtracted from the chosen object. In simple words, the intersect is the opposite of the difference. Mirror is the fourth essential modifier. To show you how it works, we press Ctrl R, and add a loop cut. Then remove the left vertex. Now turn on the mirror modifier. We will add some changes to the right side. Now you can see that, the change is automatically applied to the left. Friends, when the clipping is off, the midpoints intersect with each other. But when it is turned on, it does not intersect. Let's move on to the next modifier, the solidify. This modifier gives the thickness to the thin objects. You can control the thickness amount from here. More value, more thickness. At last, the subdivision surface modifier. This modifier subdivide the mesh. In simple words, it give you high level smoothness. The level viewport value is for viewport only. For the final render, change the render level value. Friends, if you are working on big project, then we recommend you to set the level viewport to 2, if you set it to high level then Blender maybe get busy. Our today's topic is complete. If this video is useful for you, please subscribe to the channel, and to get free 3D models, check the below link. If you have any question, please ask us on Twitter. See you in the next video, be happy.